In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code in Microsoft Planner. Let's jump right in. So first things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Planner. Just type Microsoft Planner into the search bar and you'll find it right away. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Sign In button there. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might be signed in automatically, which makes this step super easy. But if not, don't worry at all. Simply enter your email address and your password when prompted. After signing in, you'll be brought to your Planner dashboard, where all your plans are listed. Now, to start color coding, select the plan that you want to work with. Your aim should be to find the project or group of tasks that need clear categorization to increase productivity and keep everything organized. Once you've opened your desired plan, look out for the section labeled Labels. This is where the magic starts happening. Within this Labels section, you'll see a variety of colors available to you. These might include reds, blues, greens, and so on. Select a color that catches your eye or one that makes logical sense for your categorization. For example, you might choose red to signify high-priority tasks, green for completed tasks, or blue for in progress. The goal here is to pick colors that create an easy-to-understand visual cue for you and your team. Once you've chosen a color, click on it to give it a descriptive name. This is crucial for making your labels effective, so think about names that are clear and easily understood by all team members. Some good examples might be bug fix, marketing, or whatever categories your projects might call for. After you have set up your labels and corresponding colors, go to the board view within your plan. Here, you'll be able to apply the colored labels to individual tasks. Simply click on a task card and you'll have the option to add a label. This is where your color-coded system comes to life. Applying these labels will attach a colored tag directly onto the task card, giving you, and anyone else viewing the board, a quick, at-a-glance option for identifying the status or category of any given task. And that's it. With these labels now in place, your tasks will be easier to manage and prioritize. Color coding not only enhances the visual appeal of your task planner, but also significantly optimizes how swiftly you and your team can process and act on tasks. So go ahead, explore, and see how this simple yet effective technique can transform your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.